On arrival, I have discovered that His Excellency has, and the government of this state indeed, has invested massively in security. And so the second purpose why we are visiting is to most profoundly thank His Excellency for everything he and his government has done to the Nigerian police force in this command. It will please you to hear that we've arrested in the past 4 days more than 12 armed robbers and kidnappers. In the past 4 days, we've rescued about 12 kidnapped victims. In the past 4 days, we have recovered about 6 vehicles. In the past 4 days, we've recovered arms and ammunitions. The law will take its course. We want to stress that we have a zero tolerance for crime and criminality.
And all of us will believe we owe this country. And we must also stop this politics of religion so that we don't instigate crisis, violence. We must go and tell the people what you can do, what you can offer. Don't not allow the church, the mosque do this, so that we don't burn this country. Everybody should go and sell himself or herself of what you can do. For me, there cannot be any good governance without protection of life and property. Nobody can talk about good governance when there's insecurity everywhere. If you cannot protect your citizens, they have no need to talk about governance. Because if you are doing road, people must be alive to use the road. If you are building good schools, people must be alive to go to school. So it is key that you owe your citizens to protect their lives and property. And so for us as a government, that is the sole aim of being in government. Unfortunately, ours were not trained. But there are those who are trained to do that work. And that's why you come in with your sister agencies. As a government, our own is to provide all you require to fight crime and criminality. That is what we do. We are not to go to the bush to look for where the kidnappers are. Because we don't even have the strategy, we don't even know where they operate, but you have it. So whatever you think you will do to sustain the peace we have in this state today, do not hesitate to let us know. We are willing to give you all the support. What I would not like you to do is to begin to be afraid of not doing your work because you may be posted out. Your job is not to be permanent anywhere. You were, I think they say you were when I was doing the barrel in school there, now you're out of classroom. So do your work. Whatever will be, will be. Do not be intimidated by anybody to say, oh, that is one thing I must tell you. Your predecessor, Ebuka, when he came, he was from railway, was brought by the former Minister of Transportation to do a human job here. But you see, there are human beings who have conscience. When he came here, he saw the reality on ground. He said, listen, why am I going to destabilize a state that is peaceful? for politics' sake. And because we have an IG who believes in professionalism, unlike others, we have had in this state where in a year they send me 8 commissioners of police. I don't want to mention names of those former IGs who did that to destabilize the state. That's why I continue to be grateful to IG for remaining firm and say, look, let's fight crime. We didn't go there to play politics. And that was why our state arrangement that is working very well with the Security Council, the INEC itself, the police, and the judiciary. If these 3 institutions say that Nigerian democracy will be strong, it will be strong. If these institutions are saying it will not, it will not. Because it's very simple. If INEC wants to do the right thing, they will do the right thing and be firm. If the police say, look, sorry, you can't rig, you cannot rig here. Then if the judiciary comes out to listen, the rules must be obeyed. The rules are not complied with. Therefore, we can't allow it. So when people say politicians, yes, I agree. Politicians will come with pressure. There's no doubt about it. After all, I'm sitting here, there are a lot of pressures on me to do so many things. But I said, no, I won't do it. I will do this, I won't do this. So also you are in a position to say, no, I won't do this. This will not help our country. Because part of the problem we're having in this country today, when you put people who have no commitment, who have no passion, only to be from the look. As a politician, I'm a governor, I'm a president, I'm a National Assembly member, and that ends it. If we put the right people, everybody must be accountable. You see everybody will sit up. Because if you don't sit up, the people will vote you out. But when they know that where they vote, they don't vote police, INEC, and judiciary will support them and they go in there. So you also have a role to make sure the people's vote count, that the right person emerges. And when the right person emerges, you will see passion and commitment in that work. The difference will be clear.